In this video, we are going to see how we can delete all of the comments that you received on your channel at once. As you can see here, this is my channel name and we have received a couple of comments here. If you want to delete them all in one go, here's how you can do it. First of all, just visit youtube.com and select the same channel. And after that, you click on that and you choose settings at the bottom. From here, we choose advanced settings. And basically I had some problem with that channel, so I've opened another sample channel where we have received this wonderful comments. But let's say that we want to delete them all. Use the same settings, go to the settings from the profile, click on the advanced settings and click on delete channel. Click on review in Google account and you need to verify the PIN again or the password. We click on I want to hide my channel. That's the most important step. You check both of these, but just remember that before doing this for any of your main YouTube channel, just remember guys, just try it on the sample channel which have received a couple of comments, but that is not your main channel, and click on hide my channel. Click on hide my content. As you can see, we are using this channel, so the channel is hidden. Now how will we get it back? Let's see. If we visit YouTube now, you will see there's no channel associated with it. So we have to create a channel. So once we create a channel, we had a couple of subscribers as well, like 100 subscribers. It doesn't matter what name and handle or picture you select. As soon as you click on it, your channel will be created. Check back in few moments. Click on view channel. And as you can see, we have this returned. The content is also here. These were the videos. And if we click on the community, all of the messages are now deleted. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.